What's up guys, Amy Rose here and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, hashtag another video. That's what I'm probably going to start saying in my intro. So anyway, today I'm going to be playing What Animal Are You? So I'm going to be asked some questions and at the end they'll be guessing what animal am I, like what's my probably favorite animal or whatever. But anyway, let's play this game. I got this off the App Store for free, so you can get this off the App Store basically for free. Come on, just play. Which appeals to you the most? Money, family, success, happiness, stability, or adventure? I'm probably gonna say family, since family always comes first before anything else. Okay, if you were an animal, where would you like to live the most? Forest, sea, cave, or savannah? I'm gonna pick forest because it has like lots of trees and stuff. What is your worst characteristic? I am a bit difficult. I move without thinking. I am very negative. I live on the edge. I am very protective, or I am a little bit greedy. I am a bit difficult. And your best characteristic? I am wise. I can make fast decisions. I am positive and friendly. I am smart. I am very noble, or I am creative. I'm gonna say I am positive and friendly. Let's say you made a mistake. Regardless of the situation, how would you fix it? I try to do better. I try to gather my thoughts. I would stop bullying around and become serious. I would say to myself, it happens. I would blame someone else, or I would change my point of view. I would change my point of view, of course. Which do you fear the most? Failure, I only fear God. Being hated, loneliness, sickness, or being ordinary? It's either between failure or loneliness. I'm gonna have to say failure. Okay, I got this question and the next question, and now I'm gonna see what animal am I. Now pick a color: white, gray, brown, blue, red, yellow, gold, or black. I'm just gonna pick black. Pick black. There we go. What happened?
Sweet.
I have no idea what happened. It just gave me to a random ad. It does this when things happen on the App Store, and it's so annoying. Done. Come on, I want to see what animal I am, people. Oh my god, this is not wasting my time. This is wasting my time. Okay, come on. The test is over. Bedtime, but choose a place. Somewhere dark, somewhere comfortable, a place where I can snore. I don't sleep much. A big and wide bed, or it doesn't matter. I'm gonna say it doesn't matter. You are a crow. A crow? Seriously? All those freaking things and I'm a freaking crow? That makes like no sense. I do not like crows. Oh my god, that's so irritating. I don't like being a crow, and I really just. Oh my god. Oh. Now I'm gonna play Guess the Logo Challenge. So this game, all I have to do is guess some logos from basically anywhere, like any stores, any eating place, stuff like that. So anyway, let's hit that play button. And of course, we have to go on level 1. And of course, it's gonna give us the first answer for that one. That's actually easy because of course that's a picture of an apple bitten off. And did I even press on that? It's apple. Now, I know what this one is. This is KFC, Superman, McDonald's, Hello Kitty, that's so super easy. Starbucks. Pepsi. Crayola. Taco Bell. Twitter, I think. Yep. Walmart. Eon Harmony. It's Internet Explorer. I did not know that, sorry. Blue Bunny. Play. Oh my god, boy. This is easy, Batman. Olympics, of course. Hold on. Facebook. Lay's. Camel. Come on, where is it? Where is it? Gatorade. I do not know how to spell Gatorade, so. Ooh, I love Domino's. They're so delicious. My favorite pizza. Nikes, of course. Shell. Chrome. Dove. Ghostbusters, of course. Who do you want to call? Ghostbusters. You have unlocked daily challenge. I'm not pressing on that. I don't want. Whatever. That's not even a challenge. It's Walmart. I'm not that stupid. How many minutes have I been recording? Okay, that's good, I guess. Who do you want to call? Ghostbusters. No, what are you doing? What are you doing? This is going slow. Google. Monster. Pringles. Oh my god, I love Pringles. Disney. Oh my god, I'm tired. eBay. Xbox. Blackberry? Yep. Captain America. Wikipedia. I hardly go on these things, so I just look by the thing. Crocs. Dunkin' Donuts, of course. Quaker Oats, I think. Yep. iTunes. Baker's Prep. Whatever, boy. I never heard of that pizza before. Skype. Photoshop. Good. Amazon. There you go. This, I do not know how to say that, but yeah, I was right. Okay. Android. Man, I was so close. It was like the next one. PayPal. Yep. I don't even know why I guessed that. SoundCloud. I never went on SoundCloud before, to be honest, but I just guessed that right. Whatever. Captain Morgan. I don't know why I guessed that right. Ow. Ow. Okay. Toys R Us. Toys R Us. That was actually pretty easy. I only got like 1 or 2 wrong. I can invite people, but I'm not gonna do that. I don't know any people that has this thing. You have unlocked level 3. Okay, I guess that's good. Lago. Oh, oops, it was spelled wrong. Oops. Oh my god, I'm getting too wrong. Oh my god. Best Buy, of course. Firefox. I love the little fox. I have Firefox on my real phone. This is just my dad's phone, so yeah. Just Taco Bell. I thought, oh my god, this was Burger King. Oh my god, I'm stupid. YouTube, I go on it like every day, so oh my god. Fred. Whatever. Oh my god. Nope. I'm done with